All right, this is going to be a lesson on some Steve Gaines solos from That Smell by LYNYRD SKYNYRD. So the first one we have goes like this. Okay, so we had this 5th fret bend on the 5th string. Going to the 3 twice there. Got that pull off to the A down there. Down to that F here, so we got. Okay, so we got. So we're in the A minor pentatonic there. Okay, so let's slow all that down. We got. And then we got 8, 7, 5. Okay, so that went 7 to 5 to 8 to little 5 to little 8. And then we're going to go. So we get into a 10, 8, 10, 12, 8, 10. Okay, so one more time through, we got. Nine, 10, 7, 8, 5, 6 right there. Okay, so that's the first solo. Now the second solo is going to go. Okay, so what's happening there is we're into the 10 on the 2nd string, to the 8, 10 and bending. And we're going to go a few bends on that. And then we're going to have a. So 10, 8 to 7 to 8. And then we have, so. Okay, so taking it through slow, we got. So this last part is we got bend that little 8. This is a bend up on the 2nd string. And you bend down, so you bring that 7 with you. So you release that 7 down to that 5 and 7. Okay, so one more time on this. then we're into the third solo. So this one's going into the double lead. We're gonna have. Okay, so let's take a look at that. We got that 9 and 8 and the G and B. And then slide into those again. And then we come up here in the octave. Okay, so jumping up in that, we're going on the 17 and 19. Okay, and then we have an answer back thing. So that's going to be 17, 16, 19, and 17. We're just going up the scale there. Then we start going quicker, so it's. All right, I'm hit them all one more time. Here we go. Okay, then the second one. And the third one. All right, thanks for watching.